The first step is to simply open up a CapCut project. Then you just have to import your files. Now I'm going to use CapCut's library for this tutorial, and then we just have to drag our main video or photo, it doesn't matter. So this is the main media file. Now if you want to add something on top of this, what you're gonna have to do is simply drag and drop it above it here, and as you can see we have the video above it. Now of course, if you want, you can scale this up, you can move it, you can apply animations, you can remove background. So as you can see, we can use the auto removal feature from CapCut, and as you can see we have this image here. So basically that's how you can use and you can add overlay in CapCut PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.